Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a Discord server in a few easy steps. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it, and I promise you that's going to be a very quick tutorial. And let's move on point how to do it. So first, as you can see here, we have this button, add a server. So yeah, from here we can add a server and click on it. It appears this windows where we can choose for what we're going to use this server to create our own, or for gaming, for school club, for study group, for friends, artists and creators, local community. But let's say we want to create it for my own, yeah. And now we can actually create it for a club or community for me and my friends. So let's say for me and my friends, and yeah, actually from here you can choose your server's name. Let's say very cool server, and let's upload some picture. If you want to upload some profile picture on your server, just click on here and choose some. Let's say this one. Yeah, this one is cool. And if you're ready here, just click on create, and as you can see, I've created my own server. And here you can add you can create a voice channels, text channels, categories, your rules and others. You can invite your friends and to play together. So that was how to create a Discord server. It was very easy. There's nothing complicated, as I said. And yep, if you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate to leave your comments, to leave your problems, to leave your questions down in the comments, and I'll try to respond in a few days if I can. And see you next video. Bye.